Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to find your VIOMI S9 Alpha using the app. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and make sure that our VIOMI is connected to the app. Now we can click on our VIOMI inside of the app and then click on the three dots on the top right to open up the settings of the vacuum robot. And now we can scroll down to other settings and click on looking for the robot. So once you click on that, the robot is going to start making a sound, so it will be easier for you to find it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.